Hello, my name is Kelly and I am the Mathematic Plumber, and today we're going to take a real quick look at the B149.1 gas code. This is a CSA gas code, so a Canadian standard, and this is the natural gas and propane installation code. What we're going to do is just figure out how to navigate this thing. First, let's take a look at the numbering system. So this is actually a page out of the National Plumbing Code in Canada, and it lays out how they do the code clauses in a pretty decent way here. We see parts, sections, subsections, and all the other stuff that we're not too worried about. In the gas code, we're mainly focusing on the part and sections and subsections. There's some of the other allocations there, but for the most part, all our clauses will land within those first three numbers. Now the next part is the numbering system. Now everything is in numerical order. If we look on this one page, we are in part 6, and it starts on part 6, section 26, which moves down to part 6, section 27. And we'll note in section 26 and in 27, there is subsections 1 through 2, and then on 27, 1 through 5. Everything is numerical. And you'll notice we come to the end of part 6 and we go right into the same system for part 7. The other part we should point out is right at the very beginning of the code, starting at page Roman numeral 3 through page Roman numeral 6. And that's the table of contents, where you will find the parts and the sections and their descriptions. This can be very, very helpful while trying to find code clauses. There's also an index at the very back. I don't have a picture of that, but it's in the back of the book. And the only other thing to really point out here is this codebook actually has real page numbers, unlike the National Plumbing Code that was designed by an idiot. So enjoy that. Every book should have page numbers. This one does. Now here's the thing, if you want to get familiar with this gas code, you need to open this codebook up and look things up in it. And it's great to become familiar with where things land in the codebook, because when you're in class, or if you're in the field and you want to reference it, it's good to not have to search for half an hour to find something. But between the table of contents, the index, and hopefully your time in the codebook actually reading it, you'll have no problem finding what you need to find. Now, for interpreting the wording, that's a different story. That is a whole other course. So, good luck with that, and you have yourself a great day.